No in the bag, bitch.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see, I got the bow wow wow whippy yo whippy yays coming out right now. Okay. We're not gonna talk about it. I'm excited, y'all. This is my first wig review. Well, this is not my first wig review, but this is my first hair video where they sent something to me, and I'm super thankful. So today is a hair review by Kitty Hair Company. They are located, I'm not gonna say their address, but this is the package that they sent to me, and we are about to try this on. So I'm about to go ahead and open this package, and I'm gonna give y'all the full review. Let's see. Oh wow. Okay, so it came with a lot. Oh, they sent a whole oh, it broke. They sent me GOT2BE Glue spray, y'all, but it broke. Luckily, I have another top, so let's see. It came with, oh, it came with a bonnet. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so it also came with one of these edge brushes. Thank you. It came with a wig cap, which is actually perfect for my complexion. Thank you. They sent me some eyelash glue. They sent me some deep conditioner. I should have used this earlier. They gave me a comb. She sent me some lashes too. Thank you. Thank you. She sent so much. I'm so appreciative. This is actually really cute. Came a little tangled, but it's a necklace. This is really, really cute. I gotta untangle it myself, but it came with like a little pearl necklace, and this is perfect because, as y'all can see, I rock the gold jewelry and the pearls. And I got a spoolie and a applicator for my lashes. Let's get into this. So I don't even know what type of hair she sent me. We're about to see how this works out. Y'all, I see some color. Ooh, Jesus. I never wear color. Oh gosh. Yeah. Okay. Okay. It's a pretty color though. Shoot, I might experiment with it a little bit. Oh, now would I look cute in this, y'all? What y'all think? But the hair, it's nicely styled. Okay, so this is exactly how it came. It looks like it's not pre-plucked or pre-bleached or anything like that. So I probably would customize this a bit before I go throwing this on. So I'm gonna do some plucking and get back to y'all on this. So thank you so much for this hair. It doesn't have a smell. It feels really, really good. It looks really, really good. So y'all stay tuned. The color is super, super pretty. It's kind of like a copper, close to copper color in person, but it's not like that. You know how some colors come a little weird when it's dyed, and it's like you can tell it's freshly dyed, but this looks very nice. Like, it looks like it's been toned, and the color is super, super pretty. So just so you guys can get a view of what I'm talking about with the knots. So the knots are completely unplugged. So I'm gonna go in and just pluck a couple of those. It's also unbleached, as you can see. I would bleach it, but I'm not gonna do that today. I just don't have time to today, but I will probably do that eventually. So really cute. It's bouncy, as y'all can see. for me. This could be cute. This could be cute. Now, gotta hurt this thing. Guys, so this is the final product. This is the hair. As y'all can see, I want to give y'all, you know, all the tea. This hair is really good, and like the styling, this thing knows how to hold a curl. So I did have to go through and customize my knots and pluck through the hair a little bit just to get a little more realistic of a hairline, because it did come a little bit unrealistic as far as like the overall lining of it. But if you do need help with plucking, I do have a plucking tutorial.